Pure water in your shower is now easier than ever. Our shower head filter provides 20 stages of maximum water filtration, acting as a moisturizer, purifier, and softener to make your skin, hair, and nails feel their best. And best of all, it's quick to install with no tools needed. First, run the filter under a faucet for 20 seconds to flush any excess carbon particles. Then, unscrew your shower head. Use the included Teflon tape. Seal your connection. Place an included rubber O-ring at the top of the filter. Screw the filter onto the shower arm by hand. Finally, attach your shower head to the other end of the filter. And you're done! This effective filter removes chlorine and fluoride, heavy metals, and other sediments in hard water, making it ideal for keeping away dry skin and dandruff in your kids and pets as well. Experience the difference of premium water filter.